Despite the recent market downturn, I'm still bullish on a number of cryptocurrencies, including Bitgert Brise, Doge Coin, Floki Inu, Gala Games, Ordi, Solana, Shiba Inu, Chirpley, that is CHRP. These coins are amazing projects. And we have seen the market going down, Bitcoin not doing so well. As a result, most of these projects are not doing so well. But when we look at long-term fundamentals, I'm going to say these projects are one of my top projects out there during the bull market. So when I realize, or when I notice that the bull market is here finally, then these are the projects that I'm gonna go in full time, to make like most of my profit, to buy Bitcoin. Those of you who are new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto here. I create content that will help you in this brutal crypto industry to make amazing gains. I share project or content that really will help you know when to buy, when to take out profit, when to just stay away from the market. I've been in the industry for a long time now, and I understand how it works. That's why I'm here to help you guys as well understand how things goes. And the goal here is for me to help you be successful in this industry and to understand what you should be buying at what time. This time around, Bitcoin is the alpha. Of course, always going to be the alpha, but there are altcoins that you have to, also pay attention to. And these are some of the altcoins that I, talk about. And most of you who are in my community, you are also holding most of this coin. And the first that I'm gonna talk about right now is Bitgert Brise. I know most of you have mixed feelings when it comes to Bitgert Brise. The project hasn't been doing that well. Like if say I go, let me try to see if say I can pull the chart of Bitgert Brise here. So like we can see where Bitgert Brise is at this point in time, and where we can expect the price of Bitgert Brise to move towards, like in the days to come. Right now, this is Bitcoin chart, but let me just move right away to not this one, Bryce. Let me get to Bryce as soon as possible. Yeah, this is Bryce. And I want right now I'm on the daily time frame. Let me refresh it so you guys should see where we are at this point in time. Let me just go to the weekly time frame so we can let me see. No, there's not much data here for the weekly time frame. Let me zoom this a little bit so we can see. Yeah. So as it stands, you can see here that Bitget White has been moving sideways. And guys, fundamentally, this coin is amazing. It's great. But when we look at the I would say the chart, it tells otherwise. That's why I always mention to you guys that before you embark in any crypto project, you have to understand so many factors that drive that project, to the upside, be it fundamentals or be it technical analysis. And when we look at the fundamentals for this coin, it's a good project. They are building a blockchain, and what they are promoting is like one of the number one blockchain out there with zero fees. They're coming up with their P2P platforms. I mean, they are building, no doubt about it, but it's not reflecting the price. This is because the market in general is down. Everything is down, right? The US dollar is doing so well, and other investment are doing so well. So that's why you see crypto is not doing that well, and the only crypto which is struggling to survive, to make some upward movement is Bitcoin. So when you look at this coin like this, let me see if say I can pull another chart for Bitcoin price, because I think this chart might be a little bit. Let's see if say I can post some other chat here for Bitgert Brise if it's possible. Let me see. Nope. So let me see if I can bring another chart for Bitgert Brise. So I want you guys to understand certain things about if say this is good. I think I'm gonna pull all these indicators so I can get more data on Bitgert Brise, so you guys can see where what I'm looking at this point in time. It's very important you guys understand where I'm looking at this, so that whenever you are here, you'll be able to understand how to go about looking at different coins out there and when to get into it. Now, looking at this chart here, this is the let me go back to the daily time frame. This is Bitgert Brise, yeah, on the daily time frame. And on this chart, you can see all my indicators shows that on the daily time frame shows that this coin is oversold, meaning it's time to start accumulating some of it. Not like not like going full in. No, you start accumulating little by little, because the ROSI, you know, is all of the ROSI are down, like they are showing downward. And if I go to the weekly time frame, it's still the same thing. It's oversold, right? And let me just go to the 5 days time frame. It's still the same thing. So I don't get more like let's see if I can get it from KuCoin. This is from KuCoin. Let me see from Bitgert Brise. Yeah. So guys, there's not enough data here to actually show you guys what I want you guys to see. But when you look at all the indicators here, it shows that this is oversold, meaning if say you want to start accumulating this coin right now, then I think you should, because I think we are still in the bear market, but it's not. We are still, we are in the early stage of price recovery towards the bull market. So most of these coins have already seen their bottom. Like, I mean, I don't think it's gonna go like more like 100% downward or 50% downward. I think we can see 20% downward, or let's say 30% downward, but not that much. If say you have some money to buy altcoins, I think you should start looking at it at this point in time. And yeah, Bitgert Brise is one of those coins out there. And the second on my list is Baby Doge Coin. The Baby Doge Coin fans, all of you out there, I know most of you who are part of my platform, you are investing in Baby Doge Coin. Baby Doge Coin is also an amazing project, and they have built the Baby Doge swap. Um, I think, like, when you look at the fundamentals, the project is good. They have a good community. They have a lot going on in their community, and I think long term, with Dogecoin is gonna be one of those coins that you can really make amazing profit during the bull market. And if say I pull the chart of the Dogecoin right now, let me just pull it right now so you guys can see exactly the same thing I showed you guys with Bitgert Brise. This is the daily time frame for the Dogecoin. It's pretty crazy, right? You can see it's down, down, down. Everything is down. Let me bring another chart so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, let me bring the Dogecoin here on this chart so you can see. I mean, this bad boy has been down, down. Look at this, guys. Look at this movement. You know, this is trending sideways. You can see trending sideways, sideways, sideways. Meaning we are sitting at really good support area here. You can see this area has been tested multiple times, and price is moving around that area. You can see back then in what year? That is in January 2023. We saw price get to this area. You can see this price here, and the same again this year. You see price go to this area, and this is good sign because price rejected that area, meaning that's an area where investors, or most of the buy order, or most people are comfortable with that price, and it cannot go below, because if say no one is selling that that much, then price won't really go downward significantly like this. It can, but it will be just, it can go down, but it will be just for like a couple of, let's say, snap, like go down and up, like up and down. So this is good for Baby Dogecoin, like good. Again, the fundamentals for Baby Dogecoin is awesome. They never stop building. They like have come up with awesome utilities. They are building, lots of utilities around the token. So if say we have to look at the fundamentals alone, then it's not okay. But we have to look at the, at the technical analysis, like the technical, to see what investors are thinking about the project. And as it stands, investors are not really focusing here because, like, guys, there's nothing wrong with the crypto market. Right? You guys might think that the market is bad or no, nothing is wrong. It's just that money is not flowing in any asset right now. Investors don't see any reason buying most crypto assets right now because of the bad economy out there. Inflation, so much high inflation, so a lot is going on in the market, and Bitcoin is gonna be the first currency or coin to recover. And when Bitcoin recover fully, then we can see money start flowing to these other altcoins. That's why I told you guys earlier in my videos that I'm not gonna be buying with Doge Coin anytime soon. Before, but right now I'm looking at these levels, how it has been rejected multiple times, and where is the price is right now. I think I'm gonna start accumulating my baby Doge Coin again. And if I look at the upside from where price is right now, I'm looking at around 3x, or let's say, yeah, that's about 3x, yeah, 3x from where I am right now, 3 to 4x. So this doable? Like from January last year, not January this year, to December, towards December. We're in October. We are going towards December. That means if say price have gone to that area, to this area here, that means price can still go back there. And if price goes back there, that's gonna be 3x your investment. So if say you put in $20, you're gonna make, let's say, 60 or how many dollars, I don't know, but you can do the math yourself. So maybe Dogecoin is one of that token that you should keep your eyes on. And the next I have here for you guys is this Floki Inu. Floki Inu is also another awesome project. It's a meme coin, just like Baby Dogecoin, but they have been building amazing utility around the project. Unlike Baby Dogecoin, these guys haven't stopped building. They keep building every now and then. And I think when we look at what they are all about in terms of what they are building, I will say that um these guys have actually hacked the meme environment. Hacking the meme environment means they are able to create utilities around the token and give investors the ability to be able to love this project, and to keep looking at it long term. Guys, Floki, if say I put the chart here, unlike Baby Dogecoin, is still sitting at a level where I think most investors are gonna be accumulating. Let me just bring the chart of Floki here right now. So this is Floki on the daily time frame. You can see this bad boy ever since it was launched on major exchanges. You saw price the downside, and now let me tell you something about this. You see, ever since that was what month? That was in on the 17th of August, 2023. Price have been, like we saw this huge dip here. This was from the, let's see, from the 15th of August right up to what today, that's October, right? But you see, price has been moving around this area here, this zone here. It's like price has found a support zone here, and ever since, always when price come to that area, we're gonna see a bounce back, to the upside. This is a sign that maybe Floki has found a bottom, right? And we are now at accumulation stage. So most of you would think that, would think that you miss out on Floki Inu. No, you didn't miss out on anything. Like, there's still much. Okay, I think my mic is back online. My mic went off. Yeah, I'm back online. So guys, tell me if you can hear me. Just say, you just type yes, you can hear me. So I continue with the show. I'm on Floki Inu right now. So just type yes, you can hear me. So I know you guys are there hearing me. Okay, now Okay, Perina says yes, it's good. So now looking at Floki Inu, we can see that Floki Inu has found bottom in this area, right? And ever since we saw price come towards this zone, we have seen like there has been a bounce back. So what I'm expecting for Floki Inu is for price to come back to retest this same area, because I think we still have some downside with cryptocurrency, and most of the altcoins that I see out there have already reached their bottom. So for us to confirm with Floki Inu, then price should make something, do something like this, like then move and start making higher highs on the daily time frame. Then I would say, okay, we have come to a point where Floki Inu is gonna be moving to the upside. So look at these coins, look at the thinkers, look at the zones where they are, the market structure. If you see break of structure, I've talked about break of structure on my channel multiple times. I've created a video about it. You guys should go and watch that video. About break of structure. It's important you understand break of structure. If you see Floki Inu start doing higher highs, then you are gonna start looking at ways to buy it, like go in full time. But where should you go in full time? This is the area where you should go in full time. When you see Floki Inu break this zone, like this area here, this is the area where if you see Floki Inu, do this, like go like this, come back, retest this, then you are buying full time. Meaning this zone is gonna be an important area. That's area of value, because we have to see price. We test this zone and we check it multiple times. As it, like right now, we have seen an price to the upside, but price hasn't yet, broken to the upside yet. So that's why I won't say I'm gonna be buying Floki Inu at this point in time. I won't be buying Floki Inu now until I see confirmation. So I don't see any reason, but like I mean, guys, I'm saying this because I'm trading more of altcoins. I'm talking about buying it long term, like totally long term. Of course, you can accumulate, you can keep accumulating, but you should accumulate when you know that this is a time for you to start for the market to start going to the upside. Of course, you can still buy right now, right? But it wouldn't be that significant buy. Maybe you just want to throw in like $20 or $100 if so you have so much money, or that you can put in $1,000 or $500 and say, okay, let me put this money in this bad boy and see how it goes. But my advice to you is don't rush into it. Put your money into Bitcoin first, or in other top altcoins out there. Then when you start seeing some recovery, that's when you start putting your money into this altcoin, because at that point in time you are gonna be taking out profit every week. When price keep going to the upside. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but like I want you to be safe, to not just to rush into it, because most people are like, when they fall in love with the project, you don't want to buy. You don't know when to buy and when not to buy. So pay attention to this on Floki Inu. The next on my list is Gala Games. Gala Games is one of the top projects out there, and I think Gala Games have a long way to go. Like they have like an internal issue with the project at this point in time. The CEOs suing each other. I mean, it's crazy, but I think they're gonna figure it out and come to some sort of agreement long term, right? And this is going to be it's going to still be one of the top project out there in the gaming sector of crypto. So look at Gala. Let's just pull the chart of Gala to see what Gala is doing at this point in time. So let me see if I can get this is a chart of Gala, and you can see Gala, unlike those other coins on a daily time frame, tells you that, I mean, this is like a downward trend. You can see, if you understand trend movement, Gala has been in a downward trend until we see break of structure with Gala before we can say, okay, right now it's time to accumulate Gala. But Gala is one of those coins out there that will make you amazing gains during the bull market, and we are going to see the bull market anytime soon. So pay attention to Gala. Put your eyes on Gala. Don't uh, take out Gala from the map. You can see from where price is at this point in time. Wow, look at the upside. How many percent? Let's see how many percent you can make from where prices at this point in time. This is crazy. Wow. This is from what? This is about 84,000%. What? Almost how many X? 84X, 50X, you guys. So, well, I don't think Ghana might go to the next to the all-time high. Let's just say, if say Ghana just get to this level here where I am right now, that's gonna be um 37X, or like let's just say 30X. So you can see 30X with this guy, with this bad boy. This is possible, I think. Yeah, I think it's possible. So again, again, when you look at price action where Gala is at this point in time, like if I go to the daily time frame, you see that Gala is not doing well until we see break of structure before we can say, okay, Gala is gonna be that coin that we're gonna buy. But just keep your eyes on Gala and looking at the RSI, you can see this. Is at the oversold area, meaning we can see an upward movement with Gala anytime soon. So keep an eye on Gala. Ghana is down this significantly because of what is going on, not only because of what is going on with um like the CEOs or the founders suing each other, but also because the entire market is down. So don't take out this. Now, next on my list, or not next, or that I have for you guys today is gonna be Shiba Inu. Most investors talk about Shiba Inu as if they miss out on Shiba Inu. But I'll tell you guys that Shiba Inu is like you didn't miss out. If you are one of those people who think that, oh, you thought you missed out on Shiba Inu, then I'm here to tell you you didn't miss out on Shiba Inu. And if we look at the chart of Shiba Inu, it's almost similar to the other chart I've shown you, But let's just see on the weekly time frame. Okay, now you can see clearly what I'm saying. Look at this structure here, guys. Look at where price was and look at where price is at this point in time. It's back where it started, right? So I did, did you miss out? Excuse me, guys, sorry. Ah, did you miss out like during the last? If so, you missed out the last bull run, then price have come back to the area where you should be looking at buying this coin. This is a weekly time frame for Shiba Inu. So if we look at price towards where it is, like towards where it was before, like where it is right now, and where price went, that's about 12x. Yeah, 12x or 10x, 12x or 10x your investment. This is pretty good. But I'm not saying that price is gonna go back exactly to those areas or even like, but what I'm trying to say is if we are seeing some sort of movement or bull market with like if we see the bull market comes back, we see Bitcoin doing amazingly good. Bitcoin goes to 40K, then these altcoins are gonna make you massive return, like crazy returns. If say you buy them anytime, like you're gonna buy and you're gonna make you money. So if you look at this coin, Shiba Inu, and what they are building is they are coming with their own blockchain, Shibarium. This it was all a meme coin. They called it before the Doge killer, but it has evolved to become something else. Building their own blockchain. I think. I think the Shiba community is gonna be here. They're one of the biggest community in the crypto space. They're gonna be here, no doubt about it. That's why Shiba is among the top 100 coins out there. So you should pay attention to Shiba Inu and don't keep your eyes off this bad boy. This bad boy will make you a lot of money. Guys, these coins, I think there are 8 of them. If say you manage to buy these coins, let's say you have $1,000 and you buy each of these coins like $100 each, then the rest you buy Bitcoin with it, guys, you're gonna make crazy gains during the bull market. Trust me. I'm sure about this because the bull market is coming and you need to be ready. You need to already know the coins that you're gonna be buying when it's time. or like when you see the market, like good news going into the market, most people are like so happy about what is going on in the market. They are calling, oh, now it's time to get in, get in, get in. That this is the kind of project you are getting in. You leave the noise. You need to start putting things together right now before the time comes. So don't just FOMO into project because you hear people talk about it. You should get into it because you have been planning to get into it long time ago. Okay, what do I have for you guys next? Um, Chirpley CHRP. Chirpley CHRP is a new cryptocurrency project that is developing a social media platform for the cryptocurrency community. The platform will allow users to connect with other crypto enthusiasts, share news and information, and earn rewards for their participant. Chirpley CHRP has a strong team behind it, and it is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for social media platform for the cryptocurrency community. So basically, what they are saying here is, or what I'm trying to say here is cryptocurrency, sorry, not cryptocurrency, Chirpley is building a decentralized social media platform for creators. So if say you are an investor of this project, you should be aware of the fact that they are one of those projects out there that will survive because they are out to help creators grow. And if say I put a chart of Chirpley, yeah, let's see. I mean, I've been trading this bad boy for some time now, and it has been one of my top coins out there. You can see, I mean, it's not that bad looking at the weekly time frame, but let's go to the daily time frame. You can see for the past day, this coin has been doing so well. It has been up more than 100%, and now we are seeing some sort of retracement. Don't be shocked to see price retrace back to where it started, like down here before going back to make other, like say higher highs, right? Because price have to always come back to where it started to test it to see if say the bulls are ready to get back in and push the price to the upside. So when you are buying project, you should look at the structure where price is and where we might expect price to be, so that you place a limit order and wait for price to come. So I think this project is going to be one of the project out there that you look at. Chirpley, I talk about this coin always on my platform. Look at Chirpley, and yeah, don't don't start looking at this as like one of those coins sorry, I'm not able to speak now. Don't look at this as one of those coins that will make you become a millionaire, billionaire. No, look at it as a coin that will help you accumulate more Bitcoin. This when it is time to accumulate altcoins, this coin can move 1x, 2x in no time, or within weeks, can move in 5x. And when you see this movement, you take out profit and you buy Bitcoin. And you keep doing this over and over. And before you realize, you have accumulated a lot of Bitcoin. And this lot of Bitcoin can make you that millions that you always want, or have always wanted for your life, or for your investment. So look at Chirpley is one of the coins out there that I am investing in. Already I have some position with like in CHRP like Chirpley. So look at this and pay attention to it as well. Now, the next on my list is Ordi. Ordi is the last, and the last, not the first, the last, the last. And Ordi is also building a social media platform, unlike Chirpley. They are more of a decentralized social media platform, right? So if say you guys understand what social media is, and like the power that most social media platform have at this point in time, you understand why Odi is focusing on building a decentralized social media platform. And I think Odi is one of those projects out there that is gonna also make you guys an amazing project. And it is one of my top project, in the crypto space. Let me pull the chart of Odi. of Ordi, so you can see where price is at. This is the daily time frame for Ordi. All these bad boys are going just down. They're making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So again, my theory back then about most of these altcoins was correct, was true. I told you guys to stay away from this altcoin because it's not time. We are not seeing any signal on Bitcoin for us to be buying this altcoin. But when you look at these altcoins right now, man, I would say that these coins are seen at a zone where it's time to start looking at buying opportunity. Look at this bad boy. It has been rejecting this area on this daily time frame, meaning we might see an upward movement maybe to recover this vector candles here. So we can see OD get to $6 anytime soon. I told you guys on my channel, like on my private group, I think that was last week. Yeah, that you should buy OD. I'm still saying it right now that buy OD and sell when price get to $6. Then when you see retracement to, let's say, if price come back to retest this area here, then you can buy again and take the price to the upside. Guys, I mean, when it's not time to buy, don't buy. But when it's time to buy, you buy. And to know when to buy is for you to follow the price action, look at structure, follow my channel. I'm gonna be doing like I think this often so that excuse guys, I can update you guys every now and then. Just that recently I've been so busy that I haven't been online, creating content for you guys. But I'm gonna try my best to come here and share with you guys what is going on in the market and look at different project and to tell you guys when I think is a good time to buy. If you guys really want me to keep doing this, then of course you have to share this content, and yeah, that's all the least you can do for this content. Guys, I think that's it for today. There's not much to say. I think we have been live for 32 minutes right now. That's so much already. Yeah, guys, that's it for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today. See you if possible tomorrow. The same time. I think I'm gonna be like doing these live videos during the morning period, maybe early in the morning or at the same time, right? So after that I can continue my day, but it wouldn't be like exactly same time. Always make sure you check out if say I have a live show schedule for the next day, because I think YouTube will go or will always send you always notify you, or if say that they don't, then you should be checking on my channels. If say on my like share a new video, in that case you'll be updated with what is going on with my platform. I have so much that I want to share with you guys, but time will not allow me to do that with you guys. So see you guys tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe. And if say you want to be part of my Telegram group, then I don't know if say I have the link on this show, but I want to share the link on the comment section so you guys can be part of my Telegram, to get information whenever I am going live or whenever I create a new content. All right, guys, see you the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.